Welcome to the 3-Minute Node. Today's HotFix question comes from Atset-Z. You expand the checkpoint list and it opens with folders. I created subfolders, but it doesn't look like that. Let's take a look.
If you have been using ComfyUI for more than a week, your checkpoint list probably looks like this. A massive, unorganized wall of text that slows down your workflow. To fix this and get those clean subfolders, you need one specific custom node, rg3 Comfy. Head over to your ComfyUI manager, search for rg3, install it, and restart your environment. Once you are back in, go to your settings and look for the option labeled Auto Nest Subdirectories in menus. I usually set the number of items needed to trigger nesting to 3. Now, when you open your Load Checkpoint node, everything is organized into the folders you created on your drive. Since we are here, there are 2 more rg3 features we use daily to stay fast. First is the fast toggles in group headers. In native ComfyUI, you have to right-click a group to bypass or mute it. With this enabled, you get instant toggle icons right in the header. It is a massive time saver when testing different parts of a workflow. Second is the image comparer. While ComfyUI Node's 2.0 system has a native version, many of us are sticking with the classic UI because it is simply a more efficient design for pro work. The rg3 image comparer works perfectly in the classic view. Here is a quick demo using a Z-image turbo image to image workflow. You can slide between your original and your generation to see exactly how much your prompt is changing the source. There you have it. 3 essential tools to keep your canvas clean and your workflow fast. And the best part? The rg3 node is already included in our one-click ComfyUI Advanced install. Check the link in the description or visit our GitHub to get the full pro setup. This is our first HotFix video, and we want to make more. If you are stuck or saw something in a workflow that you want us to break down, drop your question in the comments. We will be selecting the best questions from the community for the next HotFix video. And that's the node, all open source, no filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.